The culinary world of Japan is a tapestry filled with tradition, innovation, and sheer delight. From sushi's serene art to street food's tantalizing aromas, Japanese food reflects the nation's rich culture, history, and its ongoing quest for perfection. Let us take you on a gastronomic tour of some of the most iconic Japanese dishes and delicacies if you're looking to explore this fascinating cuisine. Sushi, the global ambassador of Japanese cuisine. There is nothing better than sushi, the face of Japanese cuisine, which blends fresh fish with seasoned rice, wasabi, and pickled ginger. The texture, temperature, and taste are all sensory experiences. The word sushi refers to seasoned rice, while sashimi refers to raw fish. It's a balance of detail and balance of food. Nigiri sushi. Nigiri is perhaps the most recognized form of sushi, featuring hand-pressed mounds of rice topped with slices of fresh fish. The preparation is deceptively simple but requires a master's touch to achieve the perfect rice-to-fish ratio and the ideal amount of wasabi. Maki Rolls. These are what most Westerners think of when they think sushi. Seaweed-wrapped rolls filled with rice, fish, and a variety of complementary ingredients. Maki rolls are a testament to the Japanese ability to amalgamate different tastes and textures into a harmonious whole. Chirashi. If you're a bit hesitant about raw fish, chirashi is a great choice. This scattered sushi is typically served in a bowl featuring an assortment of sashimi and other ingredients over a bed of sushi rice. It offers more approachable way to enjoy the delights of sushi without taking the plunge into the fully raw experience. The heartwarming elegance of ramen. Japanese favorite ramen is a hearty soup dish that's going global. It's actually Chinese in origin, but it's been reinterpreted by the Japanese. Every region of Japan has its own broths, noodles, and toppings, so there are countless variations. Tonkotsu Ramen. Tonkotsu is perhaps the best known type of ramen, with its rich, creamy broth made from shimmering pork bones for hours, topped with slices of tender roasted pork, green onions, nori, and often seasoned boiled egg. Tonkotsu ramen is a flavor explosion that manages to be both comforting and robust. Shoyu Ramen. For those who prefer a lighter taste, Shoyu Ramen is a delightful choice. Its clear, briny soup flavored with soy sauce is a testament to the flavors of simplicity, paired with chewy, curly noodles and a selection of tender meats and vegetables. Shoyu Ramen is a classic that's hard to beat. Miso Ramen. Originating in Hokkaido, Miso Ramen features a broth based on fermented soybean paste. This gives it a hearty, full, and slightly sweet flavors that pairs beautifully with the thicker, curly noodles it's often served with. Ebi Tempora. Ebi or shrimp is perhaps the most iconic tempura ingredient. The key to great ebi tempura is to use large fresh shrimp, peeled and deveined, but with the tail left intact for a convenient handle. The batter should be light and airy, ensuring the shrimp inside remains tender and juicy. The art of teppanyaki and okonomiyaki. Japanese cuisine is called teppanyaki, which involves cooking on an iron griddle. It's about juggling and knife skills as much as food, with teppanyaki chefs showing off their skills. Teppanyaki-style cooking usually features high-quality beef, but seafood and tofu can also be done. Teppanyaki beef. The most famous teppanyaki dish is beef, often served with a simple side of steamed rice and vegetables. The quality of the meat is key, with marbled Wagyu beef being a favorite for its rich flavor and buttery texture when cooked on the griddle. Okonomiyaki, literally translating to grilled as you like it. Okonomiyaki is a savory pancake that's filled with a variety of ingredients, such as cabbage, pork belly, and even seafood, topped with a sweet brown sauce, a drizzle of Japanese mayonnaise, and a sprinkle of bonito flakes. Okonomiyaki is a delightful blend of flavors and textures. Banta Boxes and the beauty of meals to go. The Banta box is a multi-part container containing a complete meal. These Japanese lunch boxes are as pretty as they are tasty. Not only does the food make a Banta box great, but also the care that goes into arranging it to reflect the changing season. Ekiben. Ekiben are Banta boxes specifically sold at train station. They often contain local specialties, allowing travelers to sample regional dishes as they make their way across Japan. This tradition has elevated the bento into an edible form of culture exchange. Street eats that define community and flavor. Yatai or street food is more than a quick bite. There are lots of recipes that are passed down through generations, so it's like a collection of local recipes, each with a unique flavor. Takoyaki. These are savory round pancake-like balls filled with octopus, green onions, and pickled ginger. The batter is cooked until crisp on the outside and creamy on the inside, creating a mouth-watering contrast of textures. Taiyaki. The name translates to baked sea bream, but don't worry, there is no fish in this pastry. It's a fish-shaped cake with a sweet filling, often red bean paste, but also occasionally cream, chocolate, or other sweet mixtures. Yakitori. This is a dish of skewered grilled chicken. It's a simple concept that yields delightful results, as the meat becomes smoky and tender while developing a slight char that brings out its natural flavors. Seafood that sings of the ocean. Japan is nearly surrounded by the sea, so it's no surprise that seafood features prominently in its cuisine. Freshness is key, and the Japanese have mastered the art of showcasing the simple beauty of seafood through minimal but expert preparation. Sashimi and sushi. Sashimi is simple and elegant presentation of raw fish without any rice, highlighting the pristine quality of the seafood itself. Served with soy sauce and wasabi, it's a delicate dish that is a true taste of quality. Kaisaki. Kaisaki is a multi-course meal that's a traditional part of Japanese ryokan hospitality. It typically includes sashimi, a shimmered dish, a grilled dish, a fried dish, and more, all designed to highlight the seasonal ingredients in their purest form. Sweets that reflect a culture of ceremony. Japan's sweet treats, or wagashi, are often eaten during tea ceremonies or as a part of the New Year celebrations. They're made with ingredients such as red bean paste, rice, and fruit, and are as much an art form as a confection. Mochi. Mochi is a small round cake made of glutinous rice pounded into paste and molded into shape. It can be filled with sweet or savory fillings and is a chewy, dense, and delightfully pliable treat. Dora Yaki. This is a favorite of children and adults alike. It's two small pancakes stuffed with sweet red bean paste, and it's named after Dora, the Japanese word for gong, which the pancakes supposedly resemble. bringing the taste of Japan home. While eating in Japan is irreplaceable, you can bring its culinary essence home. You'll need dashi, soy sauce, mirin, and miso to get authentic flavors. The knife skills and presentation of Japanese food require precise techniques. You can refine your skills with resources, but mastery takes time. The future of Japanese cuisine. Japanese cuisine evolves through innovative fusions while preserving its essence. A revival of traditional methods and focus on sustainability are shaping culinary trends in Japan. Globally, Japanese flavors like umami, matcha, and wagyu beef inspire food lovers. With its emphasis on simplicity, balance, and seasonality, Japanese food offers a sensory experience worth savoring. Whether a novice or connoisseur, exploring Japanese cuisine promises endless delights. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures.